Amid numerous complaints from Nigerians and significant financial losses, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) has moved to prosecute those behind the crypto bridge exchange CBEX scam. On Thursday, the Federal High Court in Abuja granted the EFCC authorization to arrest and detain 6 promoters of CBEX. The suspect, Adefora Abiodun Olanipekun, Adefora Oluwanishola, Emmanuel Okwo, Seyi Oloyede, Overo Soro, Oterudo, and Chukwuebuka Iyirem, are named as defendants in the case, numbered 1st through 6th respectively. According to the news agency of Nigeria, the accused individuals are said to have committed investment fraud exceeding $1 billion. The EFCC claims that the defendants promised extraordinarily high returns, with some guarantees reaching up to 100%. Justice Emeka Niwite issued the ruling after the EFCC's lawyer, Fadila Yusuf, filed an ex parte motion. In its judgment, the court ordered that the suspect remained in detention pending the completion of the investigation and any potential prosecution related to the alleged crimes. The EFCC application also requested an order to remand the defendant in custody until investigation is concluded and any prosecution is initiated. Supporting the application, Fadila Yusuf presented 4 key arguments, emphasizing the EFCC's statutory duty to investigate and prevent financial crimes. While this has generated mixed reactions, you can as well share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to keep you updated as this story unfolds. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.